Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Fadia. In this video, I will provide recommendation for the most exotic waterfall tours in East Java. This is the route to the waterfall. If you travel here, you have to trek around 1 kilometer. But don't worry, you will be presented with beautiful views on every trip. This waterfall is in the same area as the Raden Suryo People's Forest Park. This place has extraordinary natural potential. This is Tretes Waterfall. Tretes Waterfall has been named the second highest waterfall in East Java with a height of 158 meters. The location is in Galondowo Village, Wonosalam District, Jombang Regency. Yes, this waterfall is in my hometown. To get to the waterfall location, you can walk 1 kilometer from the first post. Very suitable for those of you who like trekking because along the way you will be present with view of the forest, clear rivers, and a cool atmosphere. The entry ticket price is 10,000 rupiah for local tourists and 25,000 rupiah for foreign tourists. The facilities here are parking, toilets, prayer room, and food stalls. Look at the view, very amazing. And the air here is very cool because it is in the peak area. Here the forest is still very beautiful. A quiet, long and tiring journey will be paid off by the beauty of this waterfall. For those of you who like adventure, you must come here. A visit here won't be complete if you didn't try the most famous fruit, namely durian. Durian is a local fruit that is often targeted by tourists when visiting Wonosalam. Looks so delicious, right? Okay guys, enjoy this video and hopefully can be a reference for friends who will travel to Jombang. Thanks for watching guys.